Hi everyone, my name is Chef Jeremy Lovell and today I'm going to share a special recipe with you guys. Today I'm going to share with you all how I do my bhaji rice. First I like to put a little oil. I like to chunkay some onions and garlic, thyme and a little bit of cumin, Geera seeds in my bhaji rice. It's just the way I do it. It's just to add a little extra flavor to the bhaji rice. It's not typically done in bhaji rice, but I like to add it in. So we're going to pat some Geera seeds first. Make sure the seeds start to open before we add anything else. Let us add a toast a little bit. And then we add our garlic, onion, and then thyme. Then we let it caramelize a little bit before we add our bhaji leaves. Reason for the caramelization is to bring out some of the flavors out of the garlic and the onions. Add our thyme. Let the onions and the garlic caramelize a little until the onions become translucent and a little brown in color, and the garlic as well, before we add the bhaji leaves. Here we have our bhaji leaves. I've already picked some. The bhaji leaves, they are both named bhaji and spinach. So those, if you're looking for bhaji, we can also use, we also call it spinach as well. Right, now onions caramelize a little bit, we can add our bhaji now. Our bhaji is kind of want to add enough because it will wilter and come down to, to less than. So you want to cover for at least 5 minutes, let the bhaji leaves cook a little bit and then come back. Get it? Right. So before we add the rice, we're looking for a wilt kind of consistency of the spinach. You know, it should be wilted all the way down before you add it. You don't want to finish right the bhaji rice to finish, and then the leaves still tough. You know, we still expect a little bite on the spinach leaves when it's finished, but it shouldn't be tough. And spinach leaves, bhaji leaves are known sometimes for being very tough. Sometimes according to what time of the year you get them, sometimes be very tough. So you want the spinach leaves to cook down like this before you add your rice, your other ingredients, and your water. So now we can add our washed rice. I like to wash my rice before, which is just probably a pet peeve of mine. I like to kind of wash all the starchiness out of the rice before I use it. Rice, pumpkin, pimento, Chive, Chadon Beni, garlic, our hot pepper, our bay leaf, black pepper, and salt to taste. You're going to give a little stir, add water, and cover and allow rice and spinach to finish cook. You add enough water just to cover the rice. Alright, So now the rice has cooked. We check, we give a little stir to make sure nothing is sticking to the bottom. We check for salt, salt to taste, and serve.